Is the city really a concrete jungle? Are we just animals struggling for survival? The scale of cities is changing. Will we be constrained? Are we afraid of the changes technology will bring? How can technological advancement positively impact the world? Ground traffic can no longer fulfill our needs, and our curiosity will always push us to seek new possibilities. Urban air transport is closer than you might expect. In busy and complicated cities, the key requirement for vehicles is to travel through the urban environment without causing huge environmental damage. Safety, quietness, minimal environmental impact, and building consumer trust in the system become our core values. We have created a new category of flying vehicle. We call it a VOLAR. In order to make it more environmentally friendly, it is crucial that the fans and structure are not exposed. Antelope is our first VOLAR prototype. From the perspective of a larger scale, vehicles, transport systems and urban planning are interconnected. Bellwether Industries aims to push the boundaries of mobility. We have a comprehensive plan to build the future step by step. Changing the world for the better is our lifetime mission, and we will never give up.